Example 1. The cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is rupees 5280. The field is to be ploughed at the rate of rupees 0.50 per meter square. Find the cost of ploughing the field. Consider the first line. The cost of fencing a circular field. Fencing is done at the boundary of the field, right? So to know the length of the fencing material, one should know the length of the boundaries of the field, right? And here field is circular. So boundary of the circular field means what? Circumference of the circle. And we know that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. So here the length of the boundary of the circular field is 2 pi r. Next, at the rate of rupees 24 per meter. 24 per meter means what? Cost is rupees 24 per meter for 1 meter. That is, for rupees 24, the length of fencing is 1 meter. So for rupees 1, the length of fencing will be 1 by 24 meter. Okay. And the total cost is 5280. So for rupees 5280, the length of fencing is equal to 5280 into 1 by 24 meter. 5280 by 24 meter, which is 220 meter. That is, it is given total cost of fencing circular field is 5280, and for rupees 5280 the length of fencing is 220 meter. Okay, that is 220 meter is the total length of the boundary of the circular field. Circumference of the circular field is 220 meter. Equate this. It is 2 pi r is equal to 220, and it is given, take pi is equal to 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 220. Now find the value of r. (35 meter). So radius of the circular field is 35 meter. Okay. Now consider the second line. The field is to be ploughed at the rate of rupees 0.50 per meter square. Now consider a circular field. Here radius is 35 meter. And we already explained that first one, fencing. Fencing will be done along the boundary of the circle, that is circumference of the circle. And ploughing is done inside the field, right? Done along the area of the field, right? Area of the circular field is pi r square. That is 22 by 7 into r is 35. That is total area of the circular field is 3850 meter square. That is area to be ploughed is 3850. And at the rate of rupees 0.50 per meter square. Rupees 0.50 is same as 0.5. So rupees 0.5 per meter square means what? Per 1 square. For ploughing 1 meter square area, rate is rupees 0.5. Here the total area is 3850 meter square. For ploughing, the total area rate is equal to 3850 into 0.5 equal to 1925 rupees. Okay, so question is to find the cost of ploughing the field. So cost is rupees 1925.